I'm Dr. Rebekah Price, a board-certified family nurse practitioner and nursing expert at Robson Forensic. I investigate cases related to the standard of care provided by nurses and other medical professionals. This includes examining issues related to injuries, abuse, neglect, compliance, and fraud across various inpatient and outpatient healthcare settings and correctional facilities. During my undergraduate studies, I received comprehensive clinical training in various settings, including Level 1 trauma facilities, where I honed my skills in emergency care and critical patient management. I've also trained in psychiatric clinics, which helped me develop my abilities in mental health assessment and treatment. I was honored to receive the Gus Verdery Award for Excellence in Mental Health Nursing. I went on to earn my master's and doctoral degrees from Indiana State University, specializing in primary care, medicine, surgical care, and legal nursing research. I am proud to hold the title of Doctor of Nursing Practice. My mission has always been to serve on both the local and global levels. At the age of 18, I began my journey of service by traveling to 5 continents. I volunteered at the Mother Teresa Home for the Dying in Calcutta, India. I also served on the Africa Mercy ship as part of a renowned surgical team providing life-saving surgeries to those without access to health care. My commitment to serving others in the healthcare field is both a privilege and a significant responsibility. I continually seek opportunities to give back to the community. I have experience working with pediatric, adult, and geriatric populations in private practices, large hospitals, and surgical centers. I'm actively engaged in clinical practice as a nurse practitioner, specializing in mental health, hospice, and palliative care. In this role, I manage complex symptom relief for patients with terminal illnesses. My ongoing clinical engagement is both a personal choice and a professional necessity, allowing me to stay updated with the latest medical trends and treatments. I'm passionate about my work at Robson Forensic, and I feel privileged to leverage my 2 decades of experience to assist clients in challenging cases.